Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to copy Discord profile link. All right, if you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, go ahead and open up Discord. Now, once Discord is opened, go ahead and click on settings right here, or user settings. Now go ahead and scroll all the way down from the left panel, find developer, click on it, and make sure that developer mode is enabled. Once that's enabled, close this one. And when you go ahead and click on your profile, we now have copy user ID. So go ahead and click on it. And once that's copied, okay, go ahead and open up any browser or maybe Notepad. Okay, for example, text document right here. Now go ahead and enter https://discordapp.com/users/Control-V to paste the copied user ID. That's it. Once done, go ahead and save it if you want to, or send it to whoever you want. And the next time, or if the person you send it to opened up a browser and then clicked on this link, it will then go ahead and show them your profile. There'll be an add button in here. That's how easy it is to copy Discord profile link. Now, if you don't know how to do it on a mobile device, well, you can go ahead and check our channel out. We have a separate video for that. That's it for now. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.